Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're back at it with another Prize Picks video, and man, yesterday we were able to hit this three-man play on the VIP. So make sure y'all get on the VIP. If you're not on the VIP, man, you're missing out on plays like this. So we went ahead and combined Jonas under 2.5 offensive rebounds with Jalen Green over 7.5 3 points attempted. We took Green. He got 13 3-pointers attempted. Man, that was easy money. This dude got like 4 3-pointers. He like put up 4 threes within the first few minutes of the first quarter. As soon as that happened, I was like, this play's cashing 100%. We were just waiting on Jonas. And then, man, it's funny. The one play that we stressed on this one right here was the taco play. Ridiculous. So Cam Talbot from the Kings, he ended up getting 22 goalie saves, and we needed him to get exactly that. So he came through with us, and it always sucks when the taco play is the one you're stressing out on, because that's the one you add. Like, you're like, all right, I got a good two-man. Let's just throw in the taco play to make it a 5x payout, and that was the one we stressed out on. That was insane. But regardless, we still cashed that. Put $25 to go ahead and win 125 on that one. So man, that was a good win right there, and we're so close to getting some other good wins. Like, look at this one right here, man. So we took Luka to go over 3-pointers attempted. He got 11, and it's crazy. Luka was just having a bad shooting now, but just like Kobe, man, he doesn't stop shooting, which I respect, man. He doesn't. I mean, near the end, he was passing the ball a lot. He got like 16 plus assists, which was insane. But man, he was still putting up shots. I think that dude went like maybe like 5 or 6 for like 25 plus. It was crazy. So he was putting up threes even though he wasn't making it, right? And then we took Victor. Victor needed to get at least 2 more 3-pointers attempted, and this would have pushed for us, but that wasn't the case, and it was unfortunate, but it is what it is. We're gonna go ahead. Let's give y'all a play for today, man. And real quick, if y'all want to go ahead and look at that, Caitlin Clark on over 0.5 points. Probably take that and combine it with a Friday play, or a Saturday play. But anyways, I mean, let's go. If y'all don't have Sleeper, make sure you download the Sleeper app. This is a way to go ahead and get my VIP absolutely for free. If you use the link in the description down below to download the Sleeper app or use code DSP when you do that, one, they will give you 100% deposit match up to $500, and number two, I will give you 1 month free of my VIP, man. 1 entire month free of my VIP. All you have to do is text the phone number in the pinned comment section down below, and you are good to go. All right, just make sure you go ahead and download the Sleeper app using my code /link, and let's go ahead. This is where you can go ahead and get my VIP. It's called the website's winnable.com/DSP. So I know some of y'all have been wondering, I do not have a Discord. I do have a Chalkboard, although I'm not too active on it. The best way to go ahead and get my plays is winnable.com/DSP. The link is also in the description down below. There's a free plan, right? So you see here, there's a subscribe to. All you have to do is subscribe to a plan, and you get the plays literally texted or emailed to you on your phone. And then all you have to do is tail those picks, man. Very simple. And then here are the plans. You get the free plan. There's a $10 day pass, right? And then there's the week, and then there's the month, man. I sent out about 2 to 4 plays per day, so make sure you go ahead and lock them in. And all these plans, man, if we do not profit on the day, month, or week that you go ahead and purchase, I will go ahead and hook you up. For example, if you do not profit in that week that you purchase, well, guess what? I'm gonna hook you up with an entire month for free, man. And if you purchase the month and we do not profit, which is not the case. If we do not profit for the entire month, then you get the entire the rest of the next month for free. So let's go ahead, lock in this day pass if you just want to go and try it out, see what it's like to get the plays from winnable.com, man. And then the website where I got my plays, it's called the Player Prop Shop, man. So they got the day access, they got the month, the week, and the year access. These are literally experts that are creating daily player props for all of us to go ahead and cash with, man. So all you have to do is so they're offering one certain deal right now that's kind of a continuous deal that they have going on. You get your first week completely for free. All you have to do is add a week subscription to your cart and use code PropShop at checkout. Pretty simple, man. get your week free, and then that's it, man. Just try it out, see if you like it, man. Then I'm gonna give you all a little preview of what the player prop shop is like. All right, so one play that they have here that I like is James Harden to go over his 15.5 points. And the reason why they like this is because James Harden over this season, he's averaging 17 points per game, and at the moment, Terrence Mann is questionable, but I believe he's going to play. And then Brandon Powell, he is most likely going to be out. They're both of them are listed as day to day, but Terrence Mann is looking on the right side of playing. Brandon Powell not so much, right? So of course, without Brandon Powell, yes, even though he's Brandon Powell comes off the bench, obviously those minutes are going to have to be spread out, and more opportunities are going to have to be spread out. So let's look for James Harden to get over that 15.5 points, man. Like I said, averaging 17 points per game, and his last 10 games, he has not moved from his season mark. So even though he hasn't hit this in 4 of the last 5 games, he's still averaging 17 points per game over the entire season. And I believe last time that he went up against Portland this year, he put up 20 points, man. So let's go ahead and look at this. Harden's converting on 100% of his free throws over the last 5 games, which is pretty impressive. So let's go ahead. Let's lock this play in, man. Let's go to PrizePicks and bring my little face down right here, man. So we're gonna go to PrizePicks. We're gonna look up James Harden. Oh, wait a minute. Before I do that, let's just go to the next play. It's right here. Jaden Ivey, man. This is a play that I kind of made up myself. This is not on the player prop shop, right? Full transparency. I just really, really like this play. Jaden Ivey to go over 3.5 assists. This line is set at -130, man. Going up against Indiana, it should be a very fast-paced game. So let's look for him to go ahead and get those 3.5 assists. I mean, look, he got this against Boston, right? So Jaden Ivey over 3.5 assists. We're going to go ahead and lock that in first. And then we're going to go on over to James Harden over 17 or 15.5 points, man. James Harden over 15.5 points. We're going to go ahead and put $25 to win $75 on that one, man. Let's lock that sucker in. So, all right, y'all, that is the play for today. Make sure you go ahead and lock it in. You can see here, I already locked it in with y'all. So let's go ahead. Let's win this $75. And make sure you get on my VIP. I'm going to go ahead and be sending out 2 to 4 more plays on there, right? So go ahead, lock that in. And by the way, I apologize. I couldn't make a video yesterday. I was just crazy busy, but it's all good. We are back at it today. And that's why it's important to go ahead and get on the winnable. I mean, I'm pretty good at making a video every single day, but there's times where I just don't have the time, and it just goes over my head. And obviously, I'm not gonna make like, let's say I have time at 4 o'clock. I'm not gonna make a 4 p.m. video for a game that starts at 6 p.m. It's just not ideal. But anyways, all right, everyone, take care. Make sure you lock this play in, and I'll see y'all a little bit richer.